In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a shape in Canva. Whether you're creating graphics for social media, designing a new logo, or just having fun with some digital sketching, knowing how to draw shapes in Canva can be really helpful. So let's dive in and make sure you feel confident using this feature in no time. To start, you first need to open Canva on your computer. If you're new to Canva and don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. It's quick, and once you've signed up, log in. For those who already have an account, simply log in and you're all set. Once you're on the Canva homepage, you can choose to start a new project or open up an existing one that you want to modify. For the purpose of this demonstration, let's assume you've chosen a blank canvas or a template that aligns with your project's needs. Now, with your canvas open, it's time to focus on the drawing part. In your Canva workspace, look to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you will see a set of options like Elements, Uploads, and Text. But what you're going to look for specifically is the Draw tool. If you can't spot it immediately, don't panic. It might be neatly tucked under the More section. A quick click there should reveal its location. Once you find the Draw tool and click on it, you'll notice a selection of different drawing tools appearing like the pen, brush, or highlighter. These tools are what you'll use to freely create shapes. If you're uncertain about which tool is best to start with, consider using the brush. The brush tool often provides a smooth and consistent line, perfect for typical shapes. Feel completely free to experiment with different sizes and colors to blend perfectly with your design vision. After setting up your tool, it's time for the fun part, actually drawing. Click and drag your cursor across the canvas to form your desired shape. Attempt to make your strokes as consistent as you can for the neatest outcome. Mistakes happen, but don't worry. Canva has a handy undo button located at the top left corner of the screen. This allows you to easily erase any errors and try again without hassle. Once you're content with your newly created shape, you can refine it even more. Simply click on the shape to see a variety of editing options. You can change the color, adjust the transparency, and even add special effects to give your design a unique flair. Canva offers a great deal of flexibility, enabling you to unleash your creativity to the fullest. Finally, once you're pleased with your masterpiece, remember to save your work. Canva provides various download options such as PNG, JPEG, or PDF, which you can choose based on your project requirements. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to draw shapes in Canva that enhances your project beautifully. Thank you for following along. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it inspires you to create even more amazing designs using Canva's drawing tools. Until next time, happy designing!